Right, now we've had people working some magic. So here we go. Here's the first thing. We have a font. We have a font to do the writing. SP's been working his magic again. And I think it's very similar to the title. It's very similar to the title. Where's the title? Is that one? Oh, that's the other title, isn't it? What title was it? Was it title test? Oh, title test 2.1. There we go. So we've got that. So, and it's very, very similar like. So SP's been working his magic, and also we've got new character sets. Oh, look at this. We've got some maps. Got some maps. Where's the other one? Oh, I like the fact that you've been messing around with the colours as well. Right, so we're gonna have to figure out. I've got to figure. Well, we might have to do some indexing. So we can get these maps in. I like that middle one. That is going to get us into an awful lot of trouble, that middle one. It looks easy, but that's not. That's going to be troublesome, that one is. And you did say that you've put the hidden wall in, didn't you? Oh, in the yellow one. The middle square. Oh, here. Oh, I see. I see it. I see it. Oh, very clever. I see what you've done. Let's see, have you put it anywhere? Have you put it actually anywhere? Ah, I see. I can see it. I see it. I see where the hidden walls are. Yeah, I see it. I see it. I see where you've put the characters. Oh, if you don't know they're there, you won't see them. That is naughty. Naughty, naughty. But I like your idea. That is naughty, naughty. Yeah. Naughty, naughty. Right. So let's see. Let's see how we're going to do this. Let's see if we can get the maps in first before we carry on. Right. Yeah, it's a wall that's not a wall, mate. It's a wall that's not a wall. That's what we're trying to do. So let's see if we can get them in, and let's see if we can work it out. Right. So this is the thing. Now that is not going to be the same because the name's going to be different, I think, because it's going to be 20 by 30. But I haven't got an issue with that at all. So let's export this. Let's export this. First of all, let's move them out the way into there. So we'll leave that one there. So it's these two. So we'll create the yellow one first. So we should end up with 20 by 30, yeah. So we'll do map 1. And we'll do 1_1. Go away. God dear, it does not like doing copy and pasting this extension. Right, so 20 by 30. So we need to work out other ones. So so we need to work out the other maps. That is going to be equal to that plus. So if it's 20 by 10, that's going to be 200. That's going to be 200. Yeah? Tell me if you think that I've got that worked out. If the maps are 20 by 10, that's 200 bytes for the tiles. Yeah? So that should work, and then we'll do the same here. But this time it's going to be 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we can cheat on this as well. So let's get the other map exported as well. So character set 02 20 by 30. All right. So the character set is going to be different. So let's do this. Put that in. Map 1 character set, which is going to be that. Tiles. 1. So character set 1 tiles, character set 2 tiles. Yeah, make sure they're still happy. Character lib. Set 1. Right, now we need to set up the array. Let's see, where was it? Must have been in storage. Here we go. There's the array. So we've got test, and we've got, so let's start with this one here. So the best thing to do is we're going to copy this, right? We're going to copy this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So map 1, number 1. Map 1, number 2. Map 1, number 3. And map 2, number 1. Whoops. Whoops. Let's do that again. Map 2, number 1. Map 2, number 2. Have I not changed the file name? Okay, well, I'll sort it out in a minute. Number 3. So what have I missed? 20. Oh, I amended it. Okay. Right. So we should be able to now do this. So that is going to be the first map. Yeah. Then the second map. Oops. Second map should be that. Third map should be that. First map of the second one. 2, 3. Now the character set's going to be easy because it's the same character set. So character set 1. Character set 1. Character set 1. Character set 1. And we'll do the map 2 character set as well. So character set 2, 2, 2. Right, tile data. Well, they're already set. Character data and tile data, they're already set for the 2s. That's fine. So the 1s is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right. Now, okay. So, how many characters were in these? 61. 61. So we'll do 61. Right, map info. Oh, hang on. 2 1 2 2 2 3. Right, we can get rid of that. So 1_1. Oh, it has 66. Okay. Right. Okay. And then we've got to do the same for this. So let's do this. So map 2 is the purple one, isn't it? Purple. So background, that's gonna be light blue. I presume the border is going to be the same, yeah? so and the background. Hey Stuart, welcome. And so the multicolours are going to be the same, yeah. So the multicolours are going to be the same, and so they're going to be the same on the other two maps. Right, let's copy all this slot and make the map ones. 1, 1. Right, so what colours have we got here? So the background is brown. Right. So we should have an idea. Right, so this is going to be map 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 7 maps in total, right? So if I do that, that should.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Stuart, thank you very much for subscribing, mate. 17 months. 17 months. Thank you very much, matey. Glad to see you back. Right. So, hang on. I've been messing around with CBM Studio. It's F6, isn't it? So, map... Oh, that didn't bode well, did it? Let me just run that again. Come on. Right, let's try that again. F6. Oh, and it failed. Why did it fail? Here we go. Oh, what is going on? Right. Oh. What? Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, what is going wrong with this? Oh, this extension is just being stupid. Go away. Since... Right. Hang on a second. What is going on? Where are you? Right. You can be disabled for this workspace. Because I reckon it's you. Right, let's shut that down and load it back up again. Right, so that should now be disabled. Oh, I think there's something wrong with that extension. Right, let's see. Oh dear. We have an extension problem. I've got a sneaky suspicion the extension doesn't work with the new version of Visual Code. Well, this is going to be a very short stream if this is happening. Yeah. Oh dear. Does anybody else have a problem? Has anyone else tried it? Because it looks like the host is not running. Because VS Code got updated. Code got updated 5 days ago. And it looks like the kick extension doesn't like it. You can't, unfortunately, code, you can't roll back to the previous edition. It won't let you. It automatically forces it onto you.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, Escape 9002. Welcome. We have an issue. We have Houston, we have a problem. That is not good. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. That is not good. Right, let me just load Nico's run up and see if it's just that one or it's doing it on all of them. Right. So it's definitely on that. Right, we're going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. What have I done in here to make it have a fit? Yeah, the host is throwing a fit. So I'm wondering if it's this. Yeah? I am wondering if it's this. But I don't know how I'm going to solve that. Can we export the maps individually? No, because they're not pages. Rats. Could export separately in their own files. This is what I'm just about to try and do, mate. Right, that's Nico's run. We're not going to put it there. So let's do it there. Right, let's get rid of that name there. So map. And we'll do that. So map 2.1. Alright, jam on toast. We'll see you later. Right, we'll export that as that. And then we'll do this. And we'll do that. But this time it's going to be 2. Right, that's that one. Right, where's the other one? There it is. Right, let's do this one as well. So selection to there, file, export that area. So that's going to be that. Then that. And then that one. Right, let's... Right, we'll bring them in. We'll bring them in. So, let's put that one. And we'll see if that was the thing that was causing the problem. So, 1, 1. Right. 2, 3. Let's do that. So we'll get rid of those two. 2, 3, 3, 2. Right. So 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Right. Let's see when I reload it. So close workspace. If the extension has a bit of a problem. Right, open workspace. Are you gonna crash this time? Oh, you little stupid piece of... Ugh. Somewhere we're doing something that the extension doesn't like. Somewhere. But I don't know where. That probably didn't help. Nah, if we had another extension that clashed with it, Nico's run wouldn't have worked. But Nico's run worked. So it's something in here that the here we go. Here we go. We might be on a winner now. Right, so we're on map 1. Let's see if it does it. There we go. Core, the extension's not very good, is it? Right, so that's map 1. The extension's not very good if it can't handle that. A simple mistake of having a label done twice. Right. Let's do map 1. Map 1 should be the yellow one. There we go. So that's map 1. So that's that one, yeah? That looks like that one. Write a message to Paul. Yeah. I'll have to recreate it. Let's just run through the maps first. So that's map 1, 2, 3. Let's see, is it working for all the maps? That's what I want to do. Right, so that looks like that second one, yeah? Yeah. Right, next one. So 4. Right, we have to... One thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out where we're going to start the snake, yeah? That's one thing we're going to have to do, is that the start point for the snake must be the same, yeah? But that looks the same. Yeah. Right, next one. 5. Oh, no. Have I picked the wrong colour? No, that's the right colour, isn't it? I thought I picked the... Yeah, I thought I picked the wrong colour. Well, that works. That's that one, the top one, isn't it? Yeah, that works. Right, next one. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Right. And the last one should look with the two big things in there. Yeah, we could have a table with the start point. Seeing we've got 4 or 5 tables now. I think another one won't hurt. There we go. So we've proved that the mapping system works. So the mapping system is actually working. Right. Let me recreate. I want to recreate this bug. So the bug that we did, right? The bug that happened was we had that, right, and that, and it didn't like it. Yeah, look. So, are they large, the maps? No, they're 200 bytes each. Each map is 200 bytes each. Because SP's put 3 maps using the same character set, the only thing is it's 200 bytes for each map because we're using the same tiles, same character set, yeah? Now, I think I've had other maps. But I can't remember if anybody else has sent me maps. Oh, someone's having a problem with Studio. Okay. You did, but I didn't like it. Hey. Who sent... There was an OSK one, wasn't there? I can't remember. There. FaiRLane, but I don't think he's actually sent it me. That's what I was... I mean, I'll put yours in, FaZe, don't worry. I'll put... I mean, come on. Come on. You can do better than that. Alright, see you later, Mikroman. Sorry. Oh, but... FaZe, you can do better than that, can't you? Come on. Someone's having a problem with Prog Studio. I'll have to have a look at that. Right, so we've proved that... Right. We've replicated the bug. Look. For some reason, the extension doesn't like the fact that we've got 2 labels with the same name. It just throws a fit. Now that's completely screwed it up. So let me close workspace. So I suppose we'll have to talk to the man who's done this, yeah? To say why does it crash when you got late? See, it's working now, look. But it's repeatable. Yeah, it should flag an error. So it's repeatable, look. Right, so there we go. That goes to 2. That goes to 2. So we've got 2 labels the same. And look, it's... See, this is what it should do. This is what it should do. It should highlight that they can't have it. But it crashed before. Right. Close workspace. Open recent. Right, is it going to crash this time? Yes, there you go. It's bombed out. It should be putting squiggly lines under these because they're the same, but it's not. It's bombing out the extension. Right, we'll have to we'll have to email Paul, I think. We'll have to email Paul with a timestamp of this stream so he can see what's happening. At least we can reproduce it. Yeah, it's not something that's. It's not something that. Right, let me see if I restart the extension host. Does that fix the problem now? Yes, it's fixed it. Right. So what we need to do is we'll need to contact Paul, and if you timestamp where the problem is. On the stream, you'll be able to see it. Right, let's just make sure that this is still operating. Yep, still operating. Right. So now we've got Aston on the screen, and with his tail wagging and everything. Yeah. Now, joystick. That's what I did, wasn't it? No. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was joystick. So what I wanted to do now is try and get the corners right. I mean, it looks fine. Don't get me wrong. It looks fine. I don't know whether to do the corners or not. But when he turns a corner, yeah, there is a specific character for the corner turning. But I'm just wondering if it's worth it. Yeah, I'll have to get in touch with him, and I'll timestamp the stream so you can see it. So, right, guys, do you think? I mean, it looks. We'll try it. We'll try it. We'll see if we can. We see if we can work it out. So what I'm on about is there are some characters here that are cornered. Yeah. Let's blow them up so you can see them. These here. So that's the tail. So it's these. There's two there, two there, two there, two there, two there, two there, two there. So they're the way it bends around the corner. Now I think we got a picture of it, haven't we? SP, you put a picture on there with him going around a corner. Here we go. Yeah, here. So these characters here, can you see that one there? Is to give it going round the corner effect. But I mean, we can work it out. Have I got a schematic of the characters? Yeah, I've got the image with the chars. Oh. Here. Aha. So we've got up going, so that's up then going right, up then going left, down then going left, down going right, left then going down, left then going up. Right, okay, so got to figure out, we've got to sort this out. So what we need to do is we need to look at the character. Right, let's figure this out. How is the best way to do this? Tail to head, I think that's the best way. So we look at we'll look at the character there, and if it's going left, right, no, let's say right, that's right. If it's going right, then we have to look at the character in front of it, and if that's going right, then it's the default. Ooh. Oh, that's gonna be troublesome. Hang on. We need to work these out, yeah? Let's get this up. Right. So we've got two characters. So character 1 is going to character 2, yeah? So if character 1 is going left, and then it goes left, then obviously that equals left, which is what we've got at the moment. But if it's doing left and then goes down, then that's going to be left down, left up, now we won't be going right, so it's three for every one, isn't it? Right, let's do this. So left, so this is going to be right. Just need to get this so we know what we're doing. Right. Up. 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 Down. 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 Of course that will be up. Can't go down, so up to left is up left, and up to right is going to be up right. I saved it in the game folder. Did I? Well, it's not there, but that is a really good idea. That is a really good idea. Save image. We'll put that in the game folder. Right, so that's in here now. There it is. There it is. So we've got now in the game folder. Well, it's in there now, mate. Got it now. I can't see another picture in there. But it's in there now. Right. So, what else are we doing? Down. Down to down equals down. So they're the ones that we've already done, right? So down to left. So right. So these are the ones that we've done. That's done. So they're the ones that are done. So we now need to figure out how we're going to do the others. But we're going to have to change the way the code works. So I'm going to put that there. So, snake, it's in the draw routine. That's what we want. So it's here. So this is the... yeah. Yes. Right. So it's not the tail, it's this one here. It's the body. It's that one there. Right. So we work out the direction there. We work out the direction. Because each, right, the body, let's do that. So the body is 2, head is 2, but it has there. So we work from the direction, we already work out. The problem is, it's this here. So, to be honest, SP, I'm not sure if it's going to make it any easier. I am not sure if it's going to make it any easier. But let's go back to the snake. So let's just, right, so this is doing the control, yeah? And then we're masking out the direction on the control. And then we're multiplying it up to find where we are on the scale, yeah? And then where are we storing it? Oh, we're storing it into carry it to display. Right, so Well, we're working from tail to head when we're doing the drawing, yeah? We're working from tail to head when we're doing the drawing. So, what we need to do is we've got the character to display set for a normal thing. So, let's create another routine called evaluate body character. Oh, go away. So we need to do that. And so oh, it's throwing a fit again. Okay, and it without, store it in direction for, oh, that is not good. Thank you for finding my typos. But look, it's now throwing a fit. Every time it doesn't like something, it's throwing a fit. Not good. Not good. Right. So what do we need it to do? What do we need it to do? So if we load direction from, oh, that is going to get real annoying. That is going to get really annoying really fast. And if we compare it, and if they are the same, that means we're going straight ahead, so we can just RTS, because we've already worked that out now. We've already worked that out. We don't need to make any changes, yeah? That is going to get annoying, that is. Now, the thing is, if we have turned, this is where we need to apply those rules, all right? So, what we're going to do is we're going to, so we've got the direction from. Maybe I need to turn that around. Yes, let's turn that around. That is a definite bug in the extension. It doesn't like any errors now. Doesn't like any sort of errors. Right. So if we're loading to and then comparing it where we are, either the same direction, we'll jump straight back out and allow it to carry on. Was there an update to it? There's been an update to Visual Studio Code 5 days ago. The February edition. February update. So I don't know if it's because of that. Right, so yeah, I mean it always complains about the kick, my kick version not being up to date, but I'm used to that. It's just that the extension's crashing all the time when there's an error. Look, watch. Boom, see? As soon as there's an error in the code, it throws a fit. So it's actually more serious than just duplicate labels. Right, so we are now testing where we're going, yeah? We are now testing where we're going. So, well, we need to test where we're coming from anyway. Let's put that the other way around. So, come here. So we're going to compare. Oh, if somebody wants to email Paul about this, be my guest. So we'll do left first. Oh, no. So it's going to be west. So we'll do west first. Now, have we got... Yes, we have. We've got characters, haven't we? Right. So we need to put the characters in. Where's the picture gone? We need to put the characters in here. So dot label equals... Right. Let's put that there. Right, let's see if we can work these characters out. So, up, right. Right, there's the tail. Right, there's the tail. Right, so this is going from upright. So that's character 26. So up, east. Up. What's the next one? West. What's the next one? Up, right, up, left. Down, right, down, left, down, left. Okay, down west. Down west, I think is 30. So that's up, Down to west is 30, yeah. Down to east is 32. So left down. So left, that's going to be west down. So the next one should be west up. Yes, it is. So we'll have east down. Let's just make sure it is east. Right. Oh, that's going right up. So east up is going to be 38. And east down going to be 40. Right, let me just check that here. East down. Yep, character 40. Get in there. So we're on a winner. We are on a winner. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to check where we're going first. Yeah, because these are not in any particular order. We can't use a... Because we've got east, west, west, east, down, up, up, down. Which is a shame. But never mind. It's alright. It's alright. So we'll do west first. So we're comparing it with west. Branch if not equal to not west. Oh, John, come on. Right, then we need to load direction 2 and then do the same thing again. Now we know that they're not going to go in the same direction, yeah? We know that because we've already done that. So let's test. So the only two directions we've got is down and up. Alright? They're the only two that we've got. So, animation counter. Branch not equal to up. Yes, if it's not one, it's got to be the other. So what we're going to do here is we'll do our little trick, right? So if it's west down, so we're going to load the accumulator with constants dot character dot west down. Yeah, and then if it's up, we're going to do that. But while in between there, we're going to use our little magic opcode that we love to bit because it's wonderful. I'll tell you something, I wish I understood this when I was a kid, because this saved so much time. 24? Is it 24? Oh yeah, it's 2 bytes. Yeah, you're right, mate. It's 24. Yeah, you're right. It's 2 bytes. I was thinking it was 3. And then what we're going to do is we'll have that. So we'll do CLC. We've already got the character we want, so we're going to add the animation counter. Add the animation counter. Did not understand. What did you save and why 24? Right. If you want, no, mate, that's going to be 2C. That's got to be 2C. This is 2 characters. This is 2 bytes. So it's not 24, mate. It's not 24. Sorry. .24 is 0 page, which would be this byte and 1 more. But we want to disguise these 2 bytes, so it's got to be absolute. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So I'm going to have to take those points off you, mate. Sorry. I'm going to have to take those points off. Right. Right. Phase. There's a instruction. There's an instruction called bit. Yeah. And what it does, it tests memory with the accumulator, but it doesn't actually change anything, yeah? It doesn't actually change anything. All it does is it puts memory bit 7 into the 0 bit, memory bit 6 into the overflow bit, and then ANDs the memory and the accumulator together, yeah? But that's all it does. So if you want to, if you want it, oh, it's a way to skip instructions, yeah. So instead of us doing this, work out character, yeah. Instead of doing that, we can make it do the bit command. So it would think that this says bit, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. And it doesn't do anything. Yeah. It just sets a couple of registers. But we're not bothered about that. Right? We're not bothered about that. Right? So we're going to do this, right? So we're going to do this. So we're going to do that. And then store that in the character to display. Character display, which is in here, which is draw. Yeah. So we're going to store that into draw dot character to display. So I'm just making sure that body when we return, we would do that. Oi, John, pay attention to chat. But we don't get it to do... Hang on, I haven't got there yet, mate. I'm just thinking it through. Right. Where's the return there? That returns back. So if we put that in there, that returns back. So we need to alter this around. This is definitely body. So LDA, this. Add it to that. There we go. That's the way we're going to do it. That's the way we're going to do it. Right, here we go. So we work it out. We're going to load the character we want and then send it back. Yeah. So in this case, we're loading the characters that we want. Yeah. And then we're going to send it back. We're going to send it back to yeah. Now we are, what are we using? We're using X for sure. Yeah, we're using X there. Are we using Y anywhere? No, right. So we can destroy Y. Store it in there, return. Right, so here we're going to do the jump to work out char. And then here in the body, we are going to do this. Yep, that'll do it. Right. So, next thing's next. Now we're going to be doing, we'll do east. So, not east. And so, east is going to be down and up. So, east down. And east up. Yep. So next one we'll do down or south. Right, we better get these right as well, aren't we? Because we haven't got direction down, have we? It's south. So let's get these right. So this is south. West, south. west, north. South, east, south, east, north. All right, Mrs. OSK. Night, night. So let's get these right. So south, east. Oh no, it's northeast, north. South. 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 Right. So direction south. What SP said. Thank you. Right. So, not east is now not south. So, now, so south west. If it's not equal, then it's going to east. So this is going to be south east, and this one's going to be south west. Oh, hang on. No, that's west, isn't it? This is east. Compare it with east, branch if not equal to... compare it with west, branch if not equal to east. That means this is southeast and this is southwest. Southwest and this is southeast. Oh, brain is screwed. Right, and the last one is going to be north. So we don't... south. North. So we don't need to test for north because it's the only direction we've got left. So we compare it with west. So this time it's northwest and north east. Don't need to do the jump because we're going to come in. So basically what this is doing is we're loading the character into the accumulator, yeah, but then we're loading the animation counter into Y and storing it in the character to display, because what's happening is once we've done that, we come out, where are we? We come out of evaluation, right? And the accumulator's holding our character. Yeah, the accumulator's holding our character. But we've stored 0 and 1 into the character to display because we're telling it exactly the character number. We're not working it out like before. So it's 0 or 1. So that's why I've swapped this around, because it takes the accumulator, adds 0 or 1, and then stores it. Yeah. Oh. Well done. You spotted it. You spotted the deliberate mistake. You spotted the deliberate mistake. So that should take care of our bendy snake. Should. Right, let's find out. Let's find out. Does this... Oh, come on. It's these sort of issues that put you off extensions. Right, here we go. Right, let's go down. Oh! Oh, so close. So close. Well, that's going the wrong way for one. Oh, is it? Hang on. Oh no, it's going. Oh, it's going the right way. It's just a character too early. It is a character too early. Yeah, we're a character too early. We are a character too early. So, let me think. Let me think. We are overriding that character when we should be overriding the next character. So we're a character too early. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is looking at the previous one. So this, instead of being control, we do that one, and that's where it's coming from, and the one that we're coming to. Right, that may work. That's what I was thinking, to see if it would work. Right, here we go. We're going to go down. Ha 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 ha! Hey, look at that. We got a bendy Aston. We have a bendy Aston. Come on, change direction. We have a bendy Aston. Oh. I'm going to be rubbish at this game. I can't get the timing right. Constantly hitting the door, hitting the wall. Now I'm too early. Oh, hang on. Am I missing something? And this is why Andy loves VS Code so much. Right, okay. So look at the previous character, yeah. But the logic probably needs to be revamped. No, because the character before would be the tail, right? Because we're reading the body, yeah. We're not overwriting the tail, yeah. And we're not overriding the head. So what we're doing is before I was looking at the body character and the one in front. So the one in front would have been the head, yeah. But this time, because we're doing the one behind, that's the tail to that. So it sort of works it out. The tail, the up tail character is the one wrong way round again. I think my char set got it reversed. You just need to swap the two characters around. What, on both of them? Both character sets? He's saying that up is wrong. That means this one's wrong as well then. Oh no, that's right. That needs to be, yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, right, hang on. Let's just export that character set then. And we'll need to export the materials because they've changed as well, haven't they? Right, so that's that one. And then the other one you said, this, not that. Yeah, that one. So these are the wrong way around. So we need to insert there, copy that, paste it there. Get rid of that one.
Oi, John,
that one.
Pay attention to chat.
If you select the character and then hold Control and click on the other one, it swaps them. Does it? Control and click. Well, I never. You learn something. Every day's a school day. Oh. Well done, mate. That deserves 5, that does. I don't use this. I don't use it enough. Because I'm rubbish at graphics. Right, let's export the character set of this. And we'll export the character attributes as well. Right, let's run it again. See if we get the characters in the right place this time. So it was up. It was going up. So we'll go down and then we'll go up. Here we go. Yeah, that's right now, isn't it? That's right now. Right. So let's. Right. What's next? What's next? What's next? Do we have a? We got a game suggestions, haven't we? We got game suggestions. Have I got a list of things to do? Current state. Aha! Current state. So, right, okay. So, right, so I think that's done. Need to test the snake logic in isolation. Well, I think that's done. I think that one's done as well. We got to check going through the wall. Got to go through the walls. Right. Okay. Let's do that. Let's do that. What map? What map is that one? Is that the one I've got loaded up? No, it's not. It's the one before, isn't it? Oh, third yellow. So I think map 4. Okay. Yeah, we gotta. Oh, this is gonna be. There we go. Right. So we'll have to put a table in of start positions, yeah? Right, so I think I see the wall. Oh, I missed it. My timing is terrible. I missed that one as well. And that... John, you are rubbish, mate. Right, here we go. Oh, come on, John. You... Here we go. Oh, why are you not going that way? Why are you not going that way? Oi, John, pay attention to chat. The tiles changed. It has a 2. Yeah, but a 2 is a 2. What's 2? That's an illegal space, mate. Oh, right. So you're saying that tile's got a 2 in it? Do you want me to send these back to you? How can I get it to pick? What tile is it though? Tile 59. That one. Oh yeah, it's got 2 2s on it. But is that one there? Yeah, look, that's tile 59 as well. So have we got another... Is it this tile we need? That one there? Tile 29? It's that tile, is... But that's got no... Yeah, that's right. That's the one. Isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So that needs to go... Oh. Brush. Yeah, I'm on that one. Brush. Put that there. Right, it says it's done it. Right, okay. Let's save that and we'll export that map again. So set 1, map 3. That's that one there. Right, let's do that again. Well, it's good testing. I haven't put the logic in.
John, pay attention to chat.
Oh, is there another one with the same problem? How'd you know? Oh, right, got you. Oh, these here. Right, that one. Okay, so where's the... That's that one, yeah? And that one there. Right. Yeah, I got him. Right. Let's export this lot again. Map 3. I suppose we better check this one, yeah? That one looks alright, doesn't it? Now that one looks alright. Right, let's fire this one up. Let's see if we can get it going through the wall. Luckily, we haven't got it Aston checking himself yet. Right. Oh, I missed it again. There we go. Here we go. We got to walk through a wall, but don't. Right. I know I know what's wrong with that. I know what's wrong with that. That is yeah, I thought it might have been. I did see the numbers are the wrong way round. Numbers are the wrong way round. One is the wall, yeah. But no, 2. 1 is the wall, but 2. 2. The snake can't go on a 2. Yeah. That's it. That's for the cookie crumb placement, yeah. But you've got to remember, right? The cookies will be in there, right? But they have to figure out how to get in. No, 2 stops Aston getting in there. Yeah? Oh, hang on. No, you're right. Right, let's sort that out. You are right. We need to check. Get material type. We've got a specific routine to check, haven't we? Ah, snake can move. Here we go. God, it was only last week I wrote this and I forgot it already. Ah, there we go. We actually tested it, don't we? Illegal space. We actually test. So that's just for the cookies, so we don't need that. There we go. Oh, I missed it again. Oh, I've got it now. Got it now. Here we go. And we go through. Yay! Right. Right. So, okay, 7. We don't test for 7, do we? We're gonna have to test for 7, I think. But that. Oh. Are you alright, buddy? A lot of sneezing going on there, mate. Are you still hurt your paw? Come here. Come here. You still hurt your paw? No? I think he's trying to get the world record for the long jump. Because he launches himself out the back of the house, right? Launches himself. And on Thursday, he landed funny and hurt his paw. Are you wanting to go out? Are you wanting to go out? Alright then. Alright, I'll take you out then. Right guys, I won't be a second, alright? I won't be a second, sorry about this. So, current state. So, check for walls. We've done check for change in direction. Check for hitting ourselves. Is that how you spell ourselves? Selves? Ourself, that'll do. Checking for hitting ourself. Right, okay. Oh, so we've done that as well. Me controlling the snake. Check for limits. We've done that as well. So, let's see if we can increase the snake. Ourselves. Okay. So let's see if we can increase the size of the snake. Right, I think I wrote that routine. There you go, insert. So, as a quick thing, we will do it in here. I suppose we can do it. Yes. me and you are on the same page, mate. Me and you are on the same page. Oh, it's done it again, look. Oh. I hope someone's emailed him with this, because this would drive me. Oh, come on! What is wrong with it? Right. So we need to run this. That's what we need to run, is that. So if we just do that, I think it's snake. We do not import snake, but I think we'll be fine because this one works. So if we do the snake insert, that means we should be okay. Let's try it out. Where's the initialization point? Let's move the snake down. Initialize snake. So where do we start it off? Right. So we want that 19. And yeah. Right, let's see if that puts us in the bottom area. It's too far down. Right. There we go. We forgot to test for the fire, didn't we? We forgot to test. Check fire. Oh, come on. We forgot to check for fire, so he's constantly being added. The but overwrite is because, and he wasn't moving. Yes, probably yes. So right. So now I've got him. So you're saying if we add now. Oh, he's not adding. Let's go up. Oh, now he's adding all the time. I didn't add that many, did I? Let's do this properly. Let's do a proper test. Right. Right. Add. Oh, it added one. Add. It's definitely adding, isn't it? It's not adding. Oh, it's just added it then. Well, I've just added one then, while he's not moving. I'm not sure if it's adding. Oh, it is. It's not obvious it's adding, is it? It's not obvious it's adding. Have we got a straight? Have we got a map that does straight through? Yeah, there, that one. So that's it's map 2, isn't it? Oh, we've got a little thingy. We're gonna have to have a start. We're gonna have to have a start point, are we? We're gonna have to put start points in here. 3 in my list. One, two, this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. All right, let's get Aston up there. Here we go. Right. So he's just going to go round. So I'm just going to press add. Yeah. So here we go. Right. I've added one. There we go. It's just added it. Add another one. Ah, it's just added it. Add another one. So it is adding it, isn't it? Add another one. Add another one. Add another one. Yeah, it's definitely adding them. It's just not doing it straight away. Now that could be. Yeah, that could be. That could be me. Oh, because we're doing 16 frames. We're doing 16 frames. Yeah, we see it add the extra one at the tail. But it's only for a fraction of a second. I mean, I'm not really worried about that, to be honest. So it's not adding it straight away because we're doing 16 frames before we even look at the controls. Yeah, that's why it's not adding it straight away. But that's just me, because this is just our test game loop. Yeah, quarter of a second is forever, yeah. But it's just our test game loop. When we start working on the logic, the game logic, we'll do this better. It's just so it was to do the animation every quarter of a sec. Not every quarter, every third. 16, 32, 48, yeah, so it's every third of a second, yeah. Yeah. Right, so we've done the increase in length. So we've got to check. We've got to be checking for the hitting of ourselves. Right. So the question now is, we've got the basics of the snake. We've got the basics of the game. We've got control. Admittedly, it's a bit sluggish because we need to sort it out. Let's fill. So let's put some cookies on there, and let's write the code for eating cookies. Right, so how are we going to do that? Let's think. How are we going to do that? We have a check. we have a material check, so we can check there and set a flag to say we've hit one. Yeah. So we need some storage. We need some storage. So So right. What should we use? We need something that's not gonna get in the way. Now, I'm not too sure if that's going to work. Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, it doesn't set the overflow flag, does it? Okay. Anybody know an instruction that sets the overflow? Add. No, I don't want to do that. I could use bit, I suppose. But that's only doing the memory, isn't it? It's only looking at the memory, not the accumulator. Oh, but hang on. If I store it in the flag, I can still do it. Oh, I can still do it. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Because if we store that in the memory location, when we do the bit, that'll pick the, when we do the bit, the overflow flag will get set because we've put it in that. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. So the flags. So let's do the where we hit ourselves, because that's 7, isn't it? So we can definitely do that. Here we go. So, can't move. Can't move. Whoops. Right, so if we've hit Aston, then we're going to load. True. Oh, hang on. Let's do it that way. Oh, so I do. So I do. Right, let's get rid of that then. Store it in there we go. That should do that. So if we hit ourselves, we set the flag. Yeah, we set the flag, and then we'll be able to test. We'll be able to test it. Oh, I'm getting fed up with that error. Getting fed up with that error. Right. So we just need to do the same with everything else. So let's do can move. We'll do this as can move. And we'll carry on adding more things in. So, 2 more. So let's do that. And then the wall. Right, so character type cookie. What have we got? Cookies. Right, so and we do cookie detected and crumbs detected. Whoops. So we set those 2 flags on. So if we've hit a cookie, we set the cookie detected. Hit the crumb, we set the crumb detected. Right, so we need, have I got any sort of general storage anywhere? No, I haven't. Right, let's create some general storage. So what we're going to do is, there are 2 crumb characters, but okay. No, I hadn't seen, but thank you. We'll that's okay, because yeah, that's okay. What I'm going to do is we have a crumb accumulator. So a cookie is going to make Aston grow 1 space. Yeah, a cookie is going to make Aston grow 1 space. A crumb is going to make, so he'll have to eat several crumbs to make him grow 1 space. Yeah, and it's up to us. It's up to us how difficult we make it. Yeah, because I think the harder we go, the crumbs could be more nutritional, for a better word. That maybe that a crumb could make him grow 1 space, and a cookie can make him grow 3 spaces. You know, that sort of thing. So, yeah. Crumb accumulator. That's going to have to be a word, I think. So we've got the fraction byte and the whole number byte. But with the cookie accumulator, we're only going to be dealing in whole numbers, yeah? Do I need a word for the cookie? Oh, John, are you overthinking this? I think I'm overthinking this. Excuse me. So it's just the fraction, because if we add the cookie values in the fractions, as once the carry gets set, we can add 1 to the growth factor. Yeah, and a cookie would add to the growth factor by the value of the cookie value. Yeah. So that gives us both. Yeah. Right. So we need a crumb growth value. So that's going to give us our level fraction, and then a cookie growth value. Whoops. And that's going to give us our level cookie value. So when we go on to, when we increase the difficulty, those numbers are going to change. Yeah, those numbers are going to change, because in, let's say in evil mode, 1 cookie could mean 4. Aston grows 4. Yeah, but in pup mode, it means he could only grow 1. Yeah, and same with the crumbs. In pup mode, he'd have to eat 8 crumbs to make him grow 1. But in evil mode, it could eat 1 crumb and he would grow 1. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking in terms of trying to make difficulty. Right. So we detect the crumb and we set the flag. So what we need to do now is in the game. This is where the game logic starts to come into it. This is where the game logic state machine, we start thinking, but I'm not going to do that just yet. We're still going to be using this simple looper, for a better word, but we will Did I make it do can't move? Oh, no, it can move. Good spot. Good spot. No, it can move. Right, so when we come back here, this is where we're gonna do it. So I'm sorry, I'm really tired. I had to work late last night. You're still catching up with what the game is. Oh, sorry, mate. Hang on. I can get that for you. There you go, mate. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. And we've picked to do a Nibbler clone. Yeah? We've picked to do a Nibbler clone. Prince Phaser's fault again. Yeah. But we've picked the Nibbler clone, but instead of having Snake, we're having Aston. Yeah, Aston eating cookies and crumbs. So it's dog themed again. I mean, SP's been working his magic, and our current, where is it? Our current name for the game, which seems to be gaining popularity, is Aston Eats. I was cased addicted. So our current name is Aston Eats. Suggested by Mrs. OSK. She was the one that came up with the name. Because we got Hungry Aston, and she went and said, really? It doesn't roll off the tongue. And then she came up with Aston Eats, so I suggested it in Discord, and then we end up with title with it and in. It worked for Horace, I know, but she doesn't know about Hungry Horace. So, yeah. So that's what we're doing. So, hopefully now you've caught up, mate, yeah? That's what we're doing. We've got, what, 5 weeks now? What is it? Fuck, crikey. A month and 3 days. That's what, 5 weeks, isn't it? From now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, effectively 5 weeks. 10 streams. I think we'll do it. Right. So we need to now check that we're eating we'll do the crumbs first. So let's just put some arbitrary values in the growth values. So for cookies, we're gonna make him grow. Let's make him grow 5. And for crumbs, let's say that. Crumb growth factor. So basically 4 crumbs equals 1 grow, and this is 1 cookie equals 5 grow, basically. Yeah. Right. So I'm just going to put it in here. I'm not going to create another file for it yet because I want to test the logic. So basically, if we do storage dot flags dot cookie detected. In fact, it's this. That's what I want to do. Oh, this will be cool if it works. Branch if overflow clear. Oh, that'll be cool if it works. It will be cool if it works. So, if the overflow's set, then we're going to load do that, and then for clear that, load growth factor, add we're doing the cookie, aren't we? Cookie growth value, store it into growth factor. Yeah, that should do it. And then we will do the same with crumbs detected. Oh, that'll be so cool if it works. Use the bit command opcode in anger. Right, so we clear the crumb, but then we are talking the crumb growth factor. So we load the accumulator, the cookie accumulator, add the growth factor, store it back into the accumulator, but this is where we get clever, because if the carry is set, branch if carry, so carry clear, we go to next, yeah? But if the carry's set, then we can increase our growth factor. We can increase the growth factor by 1 because we've just then added 1 to the growth factor. And the reason why I'm doing this growth factor is that we want to add a segment to Nico for every cycle, yeah? So every cycle. So if we're going to add 5, it's going to take 5 cycles to add that 5. Yeah? I don't want to add 5 and then suddenly goes in one cycle. I want to do it progressively. So we've got this growth factor that will be decreasing every time we do an add, yeah? And we can do that here. So let's do that here. So if we load growth factor, yeah, branch if equal to 0 to next, just for a better thing. If it's not equal to 0, then we are going to do JSR snake dot insert. Right? Then we're going to decrease that, because then we've increased. Yeah, either or, mate. Either or. Yeah, you're right. It could be either way round. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. But we'll leave it like that. So if we load the growth factor, if the growth factor is any value, yeah, then we will decrease the growth factor by 1 and then insert an element into the snake. If when it's decreased and it's 0, then we're not going to add any more. And so we're progressively adding to the snake, yeah? So that's essentially it. I mean, we're not doing scoring yet, which is something else. But we will do. We will do. Once we start putting this into proper thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a quick routine to fill the map. To fill the map with crumbs. So let's go into constants, characters. Wouldn't line 79 and 84 cancel each other out? Yes, it would. It would. But you got to remember, right? These are crumbs. If we've got a growth factor of, say, 5 already because he'd ate a cookie the space before, then you still need to do the increment because we're adding to the growth factor. So it'd be 5, then 6. Yeah? And then it would come back down to 5, then 4, then 3, as it would. But yes, you're right, it would cancel it out, but you've got to think, if it was in isolation, yes, cancel each other out, don't need it. But this is in combination with the other growth mechanism, which is the cookie growth mechanism, yeah? Right. So, characters, here we go. Right. Let's go back into here and look at our... Oh, no. Oh. Cookies. What are we doing? What am I doing first? Oh, crumbs, wasn't I? I was going to do crumbs. So which is the crumbs? These two here, yeah? Right, so characters 44 and 45. And cookies. I presume that's the cookie, yeah? This one? Is that the cookie? Yeah. So 43 for the cookie. Right, so we are going to, I'm going to fill the map full of crumbs. Alright, so once we've drawn the screen, then I'm going to fill the map full of crumbs. So LDY #0. It's just gonna be a oh, I'm getting really fed up with that error now. That he's got to sort that out. He's got to sort that out. I'm getting really fed up with that error now. Right, so load branch if not equal to quick and dirty. Oh, come on, John. It's quick and dirty. This. Quick and dirty. Right. So we're going to put crumbs in. So we're going to do that. Store it in there. It's white, isn't it? It's white, isn't it? But I need a I need a mechanism. I need a mechanism to get the colour, because if we're going to be putting things on there, I need to be able to find out what the colours are. That's in the map. I am sure. It's there. Maybe I we'll hard code it to white, but we're gonna have to figure that out, yeah. Because of the different maps, we're gonna have to have a table where we put all the vectors to. D800, Y. Right. So basically that goes in there. So we fill the place with cookies. Okay. So I and Y branch if branch if equal no, branch if not equal to looper. Right, that hopefully that's going to fill the screen full of cookies. Oh, God. That is getting annoying. Oh, do I? Okay. Oh, yes, so I do. Yes, so I do. Yep. Right. He's growing. He's definitely growing. And he's not growing anymore. So we'll get him to grow a bit more. Oh, you. But he's definitely growing, isn't he? Well, I think that was a bit of a success. I think that was a bit of a success. Right, let's try it with the other crumb. Yeah, he's definitely growing. On the fourth one. Now, does he stop growing when all of them are eaten? He's not getting longer, is he? Right, so when he's there, he's over halfway. Okay. Right, so that, right, so I'm going to, because that was every fourth character, yeah? That was every 4th character. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock it down. Where did I put it? Ah, here we go. I'm going to knock it down so it becomes, so instead of every 4th, it's every 8th. Right, so 8 crumbs, 1 grow. Let's see if he then grows a lot less on the crumbs. Right, that should be it. Yeah, he's only half the length, isn't he? Yeah, that works. There we go. Right, okay. So let's try the other one. So this one's this one is going. It's gonna be real bad because we've made it grow 5. So cookie. So we'll do the bottom one. This cookies. So this should, for every one, he'll grow 5. So that's gonna be rather large, rather long. Oh. What happened to the cookies? Oh, John, you're an idiot. We're not even getting down there. Idiot. Yeah, they were in the hood. Not even getting anywhere down there, was I? There we go. Oh dear. He's this is gonna oh, how many is he gonna grow? Right, he's gonna be growing and growing and growing. He's gonna catch himself up. I could see it coming. Yeah, he's catching him up. Oh dear. Poor Aston. Eating his own tail. Right, let's send him up there. Oh, he's still going, look. He's still going. Oh, I've got to delay it. Got it. That's it, up there. Come down. Oh, no. Is he still growing? He is, isn't he? Well, the mechanics are there. The mechanics are there. Well, I haven't. I've set the flag, but I've not done anything with the flag at the moment. I've set the flag, but I've not done anything with the flag. Yeah. But the growth is working nicely now. That 5 is probably way too much. So the norm. Let's say that in the normal game, let's say a cookie would grow him 2. Yeah. Here we go. So that should be now adding up. There we go. He should be still growing. But he's eaten what? 82s? That's 160 really. Isn't it? So we're definitely going to be catching up. Oh dear. Even 2 is pretty hard, isn't it? Alright, let's do 1. So he should be growing 1. There we go. So his tail effectively should be stationary. Yeah, sort of. It's sort of stationary. There we go. So he shouldn't grow anymore. Oh, he's still growing. But he should stop just before he gets to his tail. There we go. Yeah, that works. Yeah, normally you wouldn't get that many in a short space, but it works. The fact that he's stopped before he gets to his tail it means that it works. Right, I think. Where are we? So, right, let me take, where is it? Let me take that out now because we don't need that. So, we've done that one. Need death sequence. Need random placing of crumbs and cookies on map startup. Need random placing of treats. That's the power-ups. What else did we put in the game suggestions? We've checked the hidden walls. They work, so we can put that in there. That's done. What else? So we've done that. Oh, what was this? Bonus gravy bones. Would disappear and appear during gameplay. Yeah. So we need to work out how we're going to do the speed. And well, we've done the crumbs. We've done the crumbs, but we need to implement the difficult selector. Walls. Time speeds up when... Oh, that's the HUD, isn't it? Time speeds up. And we've done that as well. Right, hang on. Let's put this in. So this was... we'll put that in there. So they're all done now. Yeah, I think once we'd got this mapped out, it didn't. I was concerned it could have been done. Let's just say it could have been done easier if we'd have got the characters in a specific order. Then we could mathematically worked it out like we did with the body. But it wasn't too much hassle once we'd got it. Oh, possibility of Ghost Nico. We'll have to think about that one. How we'd do that. Right, so the current state. So for the next stream, so let's put everything that I haven't done at the top. And all the things that I have done we'll put at the bottom. Random placement. So all the rest of it's done. So for the next stream, we will we'll start working on the game logic. So let's do this. Start game logic module. So we'll start working on the game logic. State machine. There's an alien. Surely that's an apple, right? That's got to be an apple, surely. Not an alien. It started out as an apple. And then morphed. Nice. Right. Okay, so... Saucy, if you want to mess around, if you want to contribute to the maps, if you go into Discord... You'll see a map template in there, and you can, these are the character. Oh, I think it's up to here, character 48, wasn't it? Where we put it. You can't. These characters are reserved, but anything after that, if you want to create anything after that, so from character 49 onwards, if you want to create a map to put into the game, then by all means, knock yourself out. Yeah, you can't change the multicolours. That's one of the things you can't do. You can't change the multicolour values, but everything else you can change. You can create your own characters. So as you can see, SP's done 2 here, 2 maps with different look and feels. So if you want to have a crack at it, yeah, that's fine, mate. If I'm giving everybody the chance to create maps, yeah, that's why I wanted to make sure the mapping thing was working. Right, But I think that's a good place to stop this. So we've got Aston growing when he eats the cookies and all that. We've got the bend mechanics in place now. The mapping engine is now working. We do have a problem. Yes, we need to put that in. Make a system to put the character colour on the screen, because we haven't got a system to do that. But we can certainly do something that will help us out in that respect. Alright guys, right, well thank you very much. Yeah, we're further on than I thought we would be. Oh, we got the hood, haven't we? We need to do the hood, don't we? We need to do the hood. So we're further on than I thought we'd, because essentially we've got, that's the game, except for the death thing that we haven't done. But that's the game. Essentially, the base mechanics of the game is done. It's now putting everything else in there. All right. Well, thank you very much, guys. Is there anybody worth raiding? Let's have a look. One of these days, I will raid Mrs. OSK. Let's raid Charlie Farr. Alright? Let's raid him. Oh, he's playing Doom by looks on it. Right then, guys. Well, thank you very much for joining me. And I will see you on Wednesday. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.